Mama kwa bashonko eba too much G8. Munyaba na ama owusia eni na dano entertainment gist ena me de betudwa ema mo ahwefo eni etiefo musumutimi ete de ekoso ewo ye my Ghana emu sesi ade eba bia wo ye nwumtuni o Ghana te say wa trending for a long time now wa ba bontim biem na this time around no enijemu and wa ba bontim na oba nwumtufo ade o de be hye ne nso ne say 2010 mu oba no o te say o release hit songs pa ye ka IB16 ene ho keka ho to say wa ya de pa ewo enwumto edwuma mu na sesi ade de wa de enwumto no atwo kakra na ne dwuma wodi de wonam radio stations ebuwa no aba social media kakra abeye videos de atwo na this time around the intel wa coming up in the news no efa de Exp0se endra da the 6 show so na oba American no asem Mzbel a post picture bi ewo Instagram na picture no wo no angasa mu na wo picture no mu na caption a wode eto ase na nkofo a link to the 6 show no so Mzbel picture no caption a wode to ase Vindicated awasade ensa emoji ato ase na wode to ho na Ghana for kase endra da the 6 show so no hono wo kene Japan ene ne guest for the allegations ebaye ebeto dwa efa so for penia woda Prophetic Hill Chapel ano Prophet Nigel Gaisie home na wotie wo nkomodie ensem na wo de to abontina ni nya ejina ne kita hudi a wone emma ewo utumu say most of them were bent on women na wone wo having affair adodo na kire say emma de wa ribi pa ewo nenum na wo kika no ekodu be bia kakra Esiano guest of the 6 show in Bradano wo boss say wo baby o musician wo Ghana ha say wo no crampo no Prophet Nigel Gaisie no wo de na aya de te say wo na fa ne se ase wa reno ama wo ba ne boafu ne den de ama te say they see adane strong beef ewo wo muntem ne biem crampo no almost the same party mu na Ghana for do na echi wo mochi o madwen ekwo echire kwa kai ebrebi nyumtuni bia wo no so ene Nigel Gaisie enya beef de den say o te say Ghana for enya ne crampo already na no was stated that I say wonji Yesu ndi wonji Exp0se sum endi ono ne jide che ne say Yesu bi eniwo Yesu bi amma na nti kika kasa wo dik nani ekosi Prophet Nigel Gaisie so na kofo nim say wonji Yesu di ene ensema Exp0se sum a wono o da beto abonte say wonji ndi nti eno na ama ne nani akosi Prophet Nigel Gaisie so esa the sabre no so release prophecy bi na trend ti no mu gofo ndin say enu nti na na say woni nani enhia wo kasa etiano but from development eba endrada the 6 show ene ensema ekoba ya atese wono ankasa mu Mzbel na mu wasa ba bonte de picture beto acho Vindicated na Ghana for ehuni say entie enya sena na ni abre Prophet Nigel Gaisie so a workers won finyame or ye fake na ni super enya no wode nyama ba bonte about like Prophet Nigel Gaisie who eba bonte atese ebe ye nsempi wo Ghana na onim de na worker pa because utie de kakra Asian or certificate to na wo Prophetic Hill Chapel honum wa se ade wonu na ko bad blood aba bonti abekafa Prophet Nigel Gaisie home ene de na Mzbel so egika ebre bia etwema to se ehia pant wa hwe a Mzbel na mu no wo de fa ne se ase na nso de no ankowie bie tesesika bia ese nka mbe mu na se aketue bia na se favor bia ese nka wonye no ambemu ye enu nti na wone no etese wone ne twin din de ebre bi ya no anyhow kasi we fake no say Ghana for yenti aso because him say Mzbel na we NDC supporter NDC sympathizer and Prophet Nigel Gaisie so no one also ye NDC prophet at say NDC mu adwuma de prophecy de watai kapa o ye bi enwo adwuma e wona sofu na sofu die emu enti na eba ne sen and ankofo mienu omokuo ba kum wo mutimi nya bad blood between them at say we ba no betwa bo we ba no abeka say tia we na ankofo nti asenti ankofo connect Ghana for wo ma connect Mzbel ni hatred for Prophet Nigel Gaisie to endra and some beto ja efa Prophet Nigel Gaisie and maware a musician ni a we popular din ebemo antigo for ka say Mzbel na emu nti se ni Vindicated picture no de beto ne caption anything to go by na opa de atress say the honorable Kenya Japan and some of the ababontin and the niche hopa na abetre say Ninsema na waka nyano na nokware bi wom na no wonjina so bi enti na waka say na no ena Ghana for bisa say Ghana ha say so de ensem wa ha o ensem wa ha asofo isumuje mo home na eh ensewunie na yenko some of the comments are up and for addressing Mzbel ne photo ne latest caption a wode atwa so on the Instagram page where efi Amelia was say where is this Mzbel cry that is sending us these pictures and all the vindicated issue? Why are all Ghanaians making a whole lot of fuss out of just one single word? One don't tia say dentia picture Mzbel dia betu any vindicated or dia to asenti and go far no World Cup one making meaning out of it. Well, because vindicated that na just so one sem no work no ebisa one tia say Alex Sam so edia what they about say. Sometimes I ask myself, why at all am I a Ghanaian? I wish I was born in another nation. It is only in this nation that fake people are allowed to live here freely and live fake lives as if there is nothing wrong with it. Ono so when say go or crap or to work no dwen dro bi say no say I den crap na Yakobon ma kwan e ma ye wo no e wo man Ghana mu. Ghana ha de obi bo braka na bra na wo bon ko enimu crampo a ho akonya eno po more accepted than so we live with real life wa studio utimi enya ye bra wa bon we live no nkofo empe won pe de obetimi afake no na ye nkofo de nto no won ti asempo de nti a ne hyebre ebepie mu e wo Ghana aha say we edia wode aba efija praise or say, are you a child? See how you are disgracing yourself. I pity the man who will marry you. Or no so when say Mzbel abontina wa bakra beka vindicated one man same p sorry e wo ho am say aden kofo a conclude say on your bed dia anti we ya ode abeto dwa no obema ben e na be sika e di aware no ono so e di no no ye bo a prat eso dia wode abose he slept with you and so what? Is he not a man? Did he force you? Why are you now vindicating yourself? Master, you are not vindicated. Try to spoil God's children and you will hit rock. One also Edian was say, hey, mammy. One would die. One tia na. What for so? Or the children me. Dear Nefsi, wow, pray, one man quiet want me rim. Oh, my home quiet. I dentina. I fed ye, would I ask some? I would a chill, because all that children are vindicated, and no, and Fabia, and Intebeya. Jito and Chem. Bookie so edia what about say. You see, I can't say much about this cause. I don't know when the man of God went to his closest to confess his sin before God and ask for forgiveness. It isn't my duty to judge and condemn, as we are all sinners. Or say, one there and somewhere by the water pass so one can be and found so when they say, Wonim bra, nyamini pano, Prophet Nigel Gaisie. Woye atini we no nimbra wo ko bra ne kukuwa mu ebo mpa ye esen Yakobon boniface wa ha ye ka ye tetre yensa won so to nipa boni nikapodo no ase boniface kra dada ama Yakobon so ne boni atene nti hwan ene yen so a ye betene yensa edi ebu atem we so efi Isa Muhammad, if he sleeps with you, is he not a man or did he rape you? Cosmos Exp0se, a prophet and a man of God, sleeping with women and people don't see anything wrong with it. Actually, she's even a girl who doesn't believe in Jesus. How did the prophet gain the audacity to sleep with her? Onoso Ebisa say, what for? Nyami nipa, uji namidi, wu preaching Yakobon. Now I was sure oba, no believe say Yesu pro any baby. Now I say Yakudo any nada, her one and what I say Yami Juano, Mubu, they will not say gun. Wakoka asakofo oba ewe enada obey de kra agi yesudi obey de kra apromote nyamesom mo ama say edino edi amayem yenhwe gifo George so edia wode aba. This girl cry, what is wrong with her? I pity the person who will marry her. He didn't do it. It's just Mzbel who wants to spread false info. Also when he say abaywa washeda pa and wope kwan bi edia say eye wosoфо no edi ma memfa eye commenter etwa to no entwa so emfama etefo ne ahwefo. Sylvester ama esodia wode aba was say a prophet and a man of God sleeping with women and people and all this. This girl cry. I wonder for them. a shower pastor and a shower woman ono de wa tago bu mienu ya so mo ya shower for se wo pastor e wunya shower dia ka e de ko fa shower ni ba enen e fat se nketa wo de e won paso nto no so aka ne de e wo ebusafo adwonchere de aba wa ha no ebro 100 mega se me de ko manim a wan hwe wo de no krampo wunya brempo na wetimi atro e de ato wan hwe ka no bi kra akoka wa dwen ne nti mama wo kwan utimi de wajenche efa ensem we etudwa ewo tuma GH se Mzbel ni Vindicated na ode koto eye ni Instagram page any picture te wa caption say Vindicated no enu tie no sinipi se Prophet Nigel Gaisie woni Mzbel no enya nkita hunde enu ti ene ma no te se ebibia etwem eyiya na aka se won finyame eya sa na asem city na wo adwen foforo ebi efa hom de wo bia fa to dwa e wo tuma GH ye comment section e ma refi se obetimi afolo tuma GH e wo Instagram @tumagh_ na biem so no bon ho de na share video we e fa ma adofo ebusuafo bibi oba ho bia no so etimi ehun de e koso e wo ye man mu midin ye bakope na ama owusu a da se na ye besan ehye biem